Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Radar. I'm James Peckham and I've been using the Google Pixel 4 now for about 2 weeks, and I'm going to run you through my top 4 features of this handset. Up until this point, the only other major smartphone brand that's used a 90Hz display has been OnePlus, but not anymore. The Pixel 4 has a beautiful 90Hz display. That means it refreshes quicker than your average smartphone screen, making scrolling through social media and navigating menus a delight. But where it really comes into its element is in gaming. So make sure you download Fortnite or Call of Duty to utilise the most out of this new feature. We're sure 90Hz displays will become the norm in smartphones soon, but Pixel 4 owners don't have to wait at all. Pixel phones have always been the ones to beat when it comes to smartphone cameras, and the Pixel 4 doesn't disappoint. With improved night sight and all-new astrophotography mode, the Pixel 4 is still king in this arena. Make sure you check out and get used to using HDR+ to give those difficult lighting shots a professional edge. We've done a whole video on how Motion Sense works, and you can check that out in a link in the description below. While it's a bit of a novelty right now, Motion Sense has a lot of potential in the future. You can use it to skip songs, silence phone calls, even silence alarms and timers. Plus, the Pixel 4 will also sense your presence, so it'll know when you're reaching for your phone and get Face Unlock ready to work. This isn't a smartphone design that everyone will love, but if you're after a small phone that is easy to keep in one hand, you'll probably love this Google phone. The phone itself features a 5.7-inch display, and the rubberized edges give it a particularly good grip, so that means it's unlikely to fall out of your hands. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to let us know in the comments below exactly what your favourite feature of the Pixel 4 is. If you want to see our full review of the Pixel 4, you can watch that just by clicking this link here, and if you want to subscribe to Tech Radar's YouTube channel for more videos like this, you can use this button here. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and for everything tech, head to techradar.com.